Ambedkar. On my left is Vice President of Panchayat Block, Mahila Block, Fernanda Culasso. And on my extreme left is Sandra from Shivodi, Sandra Fernandez. Now today we call you all because one issue which we have been handling for years together, and that is not stopping from the time BJP has come. And that issue is of price hike. आता पळय आसा LPG गॅसाचे प्राइस 25 रुपयांनी ह्या महिन्याक वाढलेले आसा. फाटल्या महिन्याक 25 रुपयांनी परत वाढलेले. So now, just in August, the price is 873 rupees per cylinder, domestic gas cylinder. In July, it was 848.50. There was a hike of 25 rupees 50 paisa. In June 2021, it was 823. Now, if you look at the statistics, what we have seen is from after the elections, during the election time, Modi government promised and he said that we will give you subsidy for LPG. Yes, they gave subsidy just for 10 months. But from April 2021, they have stopped the subsidy. April 2020, they have stopped the subsidy. Means nearly for more than 1.5 years, there is subsidy is not been credited on anyone's bank account. पहिले त्यांनी फक्त हे इलेक्शनाचे स्टंटबाजी की प्राइस जरी वाढली तरी आम्ही तुमका सबसिडी देता. दिली 10 महिनेच दिली, त्याच्यानंतर बंद केली. आता 1.5 वर्ष झालं सबसिडी देऊ ना. And what was the amount that they gave in subsidy? It was 300 to 350. लोकांच्या अकाउंटावर वर्षाकाठी म्हणजे 12 महिन्याच्या ज्या घरात एक सिलेंडर वापरता त्या घरात त्यांच्या बँक अकाउंटात 4200 रुपये क्रेडिट जाताले. पण प्रत्येकाच्या घरात एकच जाय ना सिलेंडर वापरणं, 2 जाता. So it is just double the amount. Some of them use 3 cylinders. So it's just the triple 12,000 something 600. So जे amount save जाताले आज ते save जायना. As we know, looking at the calamities that Goa is facing, that had befallen Goa especially, such as cyclone, floods, corona pandemic, and the price hike in diesel as well as petrol. We have sent a memorandum to the Chief Minister yesterday. And in that memorandum, we have asked the Chief Minister that whatever subsidy that you were giving early, please credit it to the accounts of the people. And also we have said that looking at the calamities that Goans have gone through, please try to reduce the exorbitant rate of 873 to lesser amount. Subsidy you have to give us, and second thing, reduce the rates. This is not only of LPG. हे प्रत्येक घरात आज सगळ्यात त्रास जात असा. प्रत्येक घरात LPG गॅस सिलेंडर हे वापरले जातात. आणि गरीब असो श्रीमंत असो प्रत्येकाक हे फेस करपा पडता. आता आम्ही पळयले त्यांचे 2020 November, the price of cylinder LPG gas was 608. In December 2020, it was 100 rupees increased, that is 708. In January 2021, it was 708. February 2021, it was 783. There was a rise of 75 rupees. मागीर 50 रुपये केले की त्या लोकांनी खूप बोवाळ घातलो. आणि जेन्ना जेन्ना पार्लिमेंट सुरू असता तेन्ना ते मातशे कमी करता, 5-10 रुपये कमी करता. पार्लिमेंट सिनेडायज जाले की हे आपले परत वाडोवपाक सुरुवात करता. लोकांचो खूप बोवाळ झालो. 100च्यान 75 केले, 75 आणि 50 केले, आणि 50च्यान आता प्रत्येक महिन्याक ते 25 रुपये वाडोवपाक गेले. So this we want to bring it to the notice of the people of Goa की बाबा तुम्ही एक लक्षात दवरा हे भाजप सरकार जे आसा इलेक्शनाच्या वेळार खूबशे प्रॉमिसेस करता सुरवातीक ते तुमकां दाखयता सुद्दां आमी पळया करून दाखयले म्हणून पण थोडे दिसाक लागूनच they do not complete for the 5 years. They don't give you they have not given the subsidy. Only for few 10 months they have given the subsidy. So don't go by the promises that are being given by BJP because they don't follow it. दुसरे सांगपाचे म्हटल्यार तुमकां पेट्रोल and dieselची prices. Now in petrol and diesel prices in 2016 it was just 54.52 petrol prices. 2017 it was 61.99. रातचे 12 नंतर त्यांचे थोडे पैशाने वाढतात आणि ते वाढवत असा पैशाने ते दाखवता कमी 5, 10, 15 रुपये एक म्हणजे 50 पैसे असे करून वाढवतात. 2018 पेट्रोलाचे प्राइस झाले 71.23. 19 67.63. 20 77.57. 2021 त्यांनी 99.80. ही मडगावचे प्राइसेस सांगता हांव. पेडणे मातशे चड आसतले because transport requires more petrol and so naturally the price will be little bit more. What I'm trying to ask the government is, the VAT, it doesn't have GST. It has VAT. So Goa government VAT is at present 27% for petrol, and for diesel it is 23%. Now we want to tell the Chief Minister of Goa that earlier when your BJP government was formed, they have removed the VAT, and the prices of petrol and diesel were much less as compared to any other states. Today, the VAT is 27% for petrol and for diesel it is 23%. Why you cannot do some reduction here? If you do some reduction here, at least it will be somewhat relief to the people of Goa. Petrol, dieselak लागून बाकीचे consumable commodities आसा सगळ्यांचे भाव वाढलेले आसा. तितलेच न्ही आणि आता LPGचे बी भाव गॅस सिलेंडरचे भाव असे वाढत आसा. आता how long they are going to do it, हांव नको. प्रत्येक महिला जर ते 25-25 रुपये वाडोवपाक लागले म्हटल्यार हजारापर्यंत जावपाक काय चड वेळ लागचो ना. So we have sent the memorandum to the Chief Minister and we are asking him that every now and then we are not going to तुम्ही आम्ही ढोल ताशे वाजून रस्त्यार कितले फाटी आयले पण हिंदीत एक म्हण आसा की इनके कानो तले जू तक नहीं रेंगती. तसं झालेलं आसा. हे निजलेले आसा. हांकां ढोल ताशे वाजून सुद्धा आम्ही उठवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलो तरी हे भाजप सरकार उठना आणि काही ऍक्शन घेना. आज आमच्या गोव्यात इतले कॅलॅमिटीज आयलेली आसा सायक्लोन हे त्याची तर ह्यांनी किती तरी मातशें लक्षात घेवपाक जाय आणि सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रिलीफ दे शूड गिव. बट भाजप सरकार ह्या परिस्थितीत दिसना and that's why they are just keeping on increasing the price of petrol, diesel plus LPG gas. आज आमची गोंयकारांची सगळ्यांची मागणी आसा की तुम्ही हे LPG गॅसचे जे प्राइस वाडयलेले आसा एक तर तुम्ही सबसिडी परत सुरू करात आणि प्राइस मातसो कमी करा. Then only we'll feel that there is some relief for all the Goans. Thank you. Now Mukta will speak.